Hello, this is me, Eolim. I am a STEAMMIAN. I come from space to learn more about the planet Earth. Let's use my sensor to collect color samples and discover the natural things around you.
Hey Eolim, I'm Nora. What's today's adventure? Look at this plant. Let's capture and classify its color.
With Eolim's adventures, Nora learns about circuit making, science and technology.
Hello, this is Serena.
And this is Lila.
And we love electronic kits. That's why we wanted to bring to life an educational kit that is entirely driven by stories.
We started this project with a mission to rethink how to bridge the gap in tech education and how to engage more girls in STEM and technology disciplines.
This is Eolim, the first STEAMMIAN. One 3D printed case, the shield with a color sensor, a microphone, 2 touch points, the LEDs, and one Arduino board. And this is the antenna, to wake Eolim up and activate the interactive adventures. The STEAMMIANs introduce STEAM subjects with stories. Eolim is only the first STEAMMIAN. We are already creating new amazing adventures featuring Taknia, Hendis, Fania, and Ria. The STEAMMIANs will never be yet another STEAM toy on your kid's shelf. The kit has been designed as a platform that expands with new activities as the kid gets more advanced.
I started this project in 2017 to engage more girls in technology learning. With my team, we have been working on prototyping, designing the user experience, co-creating educational content, and now the first version is ready to be used.
So we wanted to manufacture 300 STEAMMIANs as a pilot for Kickstarter. So if you want to join a community of change makers in education, please back us now.
Thank you!